just to be clear, no, yung 60 billion na binalik ng House and which our chairman is retaining, yun yung tinanggal nung 2024. Okay? So binabalik yan ngayon. Pero yung kailangan bayaran in 2026 is 69.78 at ang nasa NEP lang is 53. So kulang ng 16 billion. Yun yung hinihingi ko kay chairman na sana at least for 2026, pakita natin na na-earmark na to, ibigay itong buong 69. Tapos we go backwards pa na earmark na ibang amount. But I'll just focus on that 69 total, which is short of 16 billion for 2026. Thank you.
I will yield to Senator Legarda.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate the clarification of Senator Pia Cayetano. The 60B in the HGAB for 2026 is, in my understanding, yung bayad utang. I
Yes.
used that in the interpellation, which the DOF refused to say utang. So whatever it is called, the 60B taken away from PhilHealth in 2024 was placed in the HGAB, which we are studying now. But it is actually not 60B. The DOF in 2024 got, what is the exact amount? More than 60B because the Supreme Court did a TRO on the remaining funds. It's 80 plus. Give me exact. 89. Ayun, galing yung prompter. Yes, 89 na TRO yung balanse, kaya hindi na nakuha. Pero yung 60B nakuha. That is why I asked the DOH or PhilHealth to give us a liquidation of where they put this. Did they actually put it in health-related expenses or in flood control or in infrastructure? Infrastructure for hospitals, yes, or health facilities. It was still unclear in the interpellations.
Yes.
So in the coming year, they owe it to us and to the Filipino people that they explain where they put the 60B. And I hope, and thank you to the chair, that he retained the 60B. That's only 2024. Senator Pia Cayetano is correct in saying that we, meaning Senate and the House, owe the Filipino people and PhilHealth the amount allocated in the NEP of 2025.
Yes.
It was in the HGAB.